everyone, and welcome to this week's Tip Tuesday. This is Attorney Davis coming to you from Davis Legal Center. This week's Tip Tuesday is a part 2 to last week's Tip Tuesday, where I was talking about how to be as successful as possible on any form of supervised release. Really, it was more specifically geared towards pretrial release conditions, but as I stated in part 1 of the video, this could really help anyone that's on any form of supervision, state or federal. So the first 3 tips were to stay gainfully employed, always make sure you have a stable residence, and to also make sure that you stay drug or crime free. The final tip that I want to impart into all of you is to make sure that you are complying with any special conditions of any kind of supervised release. Again, this video is geared towards pretrial release, but it could really help you be successful in any form of supervised release. Here in Broward County, when a person is placed on any form of pretrial release conditions, they usually meet with a pretrial release officer that will be monitoring the person's compliance with the pretrial release contract. On that contract, it lays out in detail all of the conditions of your pretrial release supervision. Special conditions would be anything that a court may have imposed that are particular to your specific situation. An example of that, as I mentioned before, would be like a stay away order in place, a person being ordered to not do drugs or consume any alcohol, a person not being able or permitted to drive even though they legally have a license, any kind of travel restrictions. Those are things that we consider to be special conditions. So just as a recap, the best thing that you can do for yourself if you are on any form of supervision would be to stay gainfully employed, maintain a stable residence, stay drug or crime free, and most importantly, comply with all pretrial release conditions. Failure to do so, pretrial release special conditions. Failure to do so would subject you to incarceration until your case resolves, and we don't want that to happen. So if you have any further questions about pretrial release, feel free to contact our office. If you are a loved one or in need of a criminal defense attorney, we handle Palm Beach, Dade, Broward County. Our office also handles state and federal cases, all cases. So until next time, everybody, I hope you have an excellent week, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Bye.